If you have a Fire Stick, you already know the Amazon App Store doesn't have every app you might want. But there's a simple way to install compatible apps that aren't listed there. In this video, I'll show you the complete process from start to finish. And once you set this up, installing compatible apps becomes incredibly easy. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to unlock one of the most useful features on your Fire Stick, sideloading. I'll show you how to install Downloader, enable developer options, allow Downloader to install apps, and then use it to download an app safely. And don't worry if you've never done this before, just follow along with me step by step. Step 1. Go to your Fire Stick home screen and select Search. Type Downloader. As you type, you should see the Downloader app appear in the results. Select the official Downloader app by AFTV News, then choose Get or Download. Wait a few seconds for it to install. Now, here's the important part. Step 2. We need to enable developer options first. Go back to the Fire Stick home screen and open Settings. Select My Fire TV, then choose About. Now highlight the name of your Fire TV device. For example, it may say Fire TV Stick 4K. Now press the Select button on your remote 7 times. Keep clicking until you see the message, "You are now a developer." And that's it. Developer options are now enabled. Now press the back button once. You should see Developer Options inside My Fire TV. Open it. Look for Install Unknown Apps. Select it, and you'll see Downloader in the list. Step 3. Select Downloader and turn it on. This permission allows Downloader to install compatible applications that aren't distributed through the Amazon App Store. If you're using an older Fire TV model, the menu may look slightly different, but the idea is the same. Allow the app you're using to install applications. Now we're ready. Open Downloader. The first time you launch it, you may see some introductory screens or permission prompts. Follow the prompts and continue. Once you're on the Downloader home screen, you'll see a field where you can enter a web address, and this is where things get interesting. Step 4. Enter the official download address for the application you want to install. You can type the address directly or use a verified downloader code when the app's official source provides one. For this example, I'll use a legitimate app download source. Press Go. Downloader will open the page and begin the download. You'll see the download progress on screen. Once the file finishes downloading, the Android installation screen will appear. Now select Install. Give it a few moments, and once you see App installed, you're done. You can select Open if you want to launch it immediately, or select Done to return to Downloader. There's one more thing I recommend doing. After an installation is complete, Downloader may ask whether you want to delete the downloaded APK file. I recommend deleting it if you no longer need it. Select Delete, then confirm Delete again. That frees up storage on your Fire Stick, which is especially useful because Fire TV devices can have limited internal storage. Now you've done the setup once. For future compatible applications, the process is much simpler. Open Downloader, enter the app's official download URL or verified downloader code, download the file, select Install, and you're done. That's basically the entire sideloading process. But before you start downloading everything you find online, there's one important warning. Not every APK is safe. Avoid random websites, modified APKs, cracked applications, and downloads from sources you don't trust. Whenever possible, use the official developer website, official app source, or a well-established source you trust. And remember, sideloading itself doesn't make an app safe. You still need to be careful about what you're installing. If Downloader says the app can't be installed, don't panic. First, check your available storage. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, About, Storage. If your storage is almost full, remove apps you no longer use. If you get an App Not Installed message, the APK may not be compatible with your Fire TV model, the download may be incomplete, or you may already have another version of the app installed. In that situation, download the correct version from a trusted source. One small tip that makes this much easier.
If you use Downloader regularly, move it to the front of your apps. Highlight Downloader, hold the Select button, choose the option to move it, and place it somewhere convenient. Now you won't have to search for it every time. And if you're using a compatible TV player that supports your own streaming service, you may eventually see options such as M3U Playlist or Xstream Login during setup. These are simply login or playlist methods used by some third-party streaming platforms. If you already have a legitimate service and they've provided you with M3U or Xstream credentials, enter those details only inside the official player or app you're using. So let's quickly recap. Install Downloader, enable developer options, turn on Install Unknown Apps for Downloader, use a trusted source for the application you want, download, install, and then delete the leftover APK file. That's all you need. If this guide helped you install an app on your Firestick, hit the like button because it really helps the channel. And if you're new here, subscribe for more Firestick, Fire TV, Google TV, Android TV, and streaming tutorials. Also, tell me in the comments, which app are you trying to install on your Firestick? I may cover it in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.